Hello friends, today we are going to do a science experiment and this video is for the children who are 3 to 5 years old. So today's experiment name is floating and sinking. So for this activity first I have a water in a container and some home ingredients like spoons, lips, potato, slice of cucumber and one stone and spoon as well. So let's start. So at first I'm gonna pour this stone in water. So can you guess either it sink or float? Let's try. 1, 2 and 3. So look, it's go to the bottom of the container. So it sink in the water. So stone always sink in the water. And next we have leaf. Let's see either it float or sink in the water. 1, 2 and 3. So you can see the leaves is in the upper surface of the water. So it is floating in the water. Look. Like this only I have a sponge. This is a magical sponge. Let's see either it sink or float. What do you think? So this one is also sink or float. What? So this one is float in the water. Look. So our magic sponge is also float in the water. And next we have piece of paper. So 1, 2 and 3. So here you can see that the piece of water is also in the upper surface of water. So paper is also always float in the water. And let's try this potato and this cucumber both at the same time. 1, 2 and 3. So here you can see that our Mr. Potato goes in the bottom of the water and our cucumber is in the surface, upper surface of water. So we can say that the potato is always sink in the water and the slice of cucumber is float in the water. So if you make a slice of the cucumber, then it will float in the water. But what if we put this whole cucumber in the water? Let's see. 1, 2 and 3. Wow. So you can see that when we are putting this whole cucumber, then also it is floating in the water. So if we put a slice of cucumber or the whole cucumber, it will always float in the water. So with this activity, children have gained knowledge about the floating and sinking, about the density of the water, that the heavy things always sink in the water and the things that is not heavy, I mean the one who is less in weight, that will always float in the water. So with these activities, children will gain knowledge about sink and floating. So this is one of the most important chapter of the science. And it will also develop their cognitive development and it will help to develop their knowledge regarding science and curiosity as well. Why the things are floating and sinking? Either the potato will float or sink. So I hope this experiment is good for the children. Thank you.